Hello guys, what is up? This is Moses William here. Thank you for watching this video and welcome back to my channel MW Design Strategies. And in this video I will show you how you can create auto layout design in Figma, and also I will show you everything how you can create button auto layout, input fields auto layout with right, and how you can also make the text auto layout, right? So everything I will show you in this video, so watch this video till the end. Also if you are new user to my channel, please go and subscribe before you begin. Okay, so let's get started with this tutorial. So first what we have to do is to first of all we have to write here text. So I will show you from the start, right, from everything from scratch, like right. Let me just show you first of all how it works, how auto layout works here. So this is login mobile responsive, so I've made it auto layout. So you can see when I drag it, you can see the auto layout magic here. So you can see how much easy, how much best it is, right, in Figma, how you can make the auto layout everything responsive way, right? So you can make it more responsive, whatever you like. So if you want to make it for tablet app, you can increase the size and it will increase as much as you can increase it, and you can also decrease it as much as you can. Like for example, if I add here mobile iPhone X size, right, like 312, so you can see, sorry, 3, let me just show you. Yeah, if I add here 375, so you can see this is iPhone X size, right? So you can make it as much as you can drag it, right, and expand the width like this. Also you can expand the height of this, like for example if you need it for your iPhone 5 or iPhone 6, so you can make it accordingly. You can make it iPhone 8 as well. So now first what we have to do is first of all we have to get the text right here, login. Okay, because everything I will show you from scratch, how you can make auto layout. So now increase the size here. I think it should be 56, or you can create your own text style. So it's right now we just choose bold, right, and now you can make it auto layout. So for making it auto layout, if you are not seeing any feature here, any option at the left side, sorry, at the right side, if you are not seeing any feature, so what you can do is just click on Shift and A, and it will create auto layout for you, right? Shift A, make sure that you hit this command Shift A, and now you will see there is auto layout option here, right? You can also now you can adjust your auto layout everything. So what we have to do here, we can write here like this is our text. So for example, if I write here text, now you have to adjust this alignment here. So I will also tell you how you can do this. Also we have to always make sure that you adjust the resizing constraints here, right? If you are seeing these are some resizes constraints, so we have to adjust it accordingly. Like for example, if for like it's not right now working, right, it's not adjusting itself, right, when we reduce the size, when we reduce the frame size, right? But in this design, this is auto layout, if I reduce the size, it will decrease, right? You can also see this one, so it's decreasing, right? So but for this, what we can do first, to make it component. Okay, so make sure that you always hit the component, right? And I will also create a separate video for components, how you can create components and the full design system. So I will create another video for this topic. So let me just show you the auto layout in this video, right? So here, when you create component, now what you can do here is select this hub content, select this text. Okay, select this text, and if you are seeing this resizing, you can always click here, click this drop down and select fill container. So it should be always fill container, and it should be, yeah. So once you add this full fill container, now you are seeing the size here, content. Okay, so same thing we have to do with our second subtext, this lorem ipsum. So again click shift a command, and you will see it will create auto layout for you. And now we have to adjust the size here. So if you are seeing this padding round item, so this padding you have to make it 0, right? So the alignment will be the same. And now what we have to do, I have to create this both in auto layout. So you have to select these two auto layouts, and now to auto layout text, and now again click shift a command, right? So this will create another auto layout for you. Okay, so now these all are at auto layout. Now what we have to do, select this text, and if you are seeing the resizing here, resizing on the right side, you have to make it fill container. So it will increase and fill this container. And now this, see the but the things that I like in this auto layout is when I want to decrease the size between these, like I want to right now it is 13, and if I want to decrease or increase the size like 13 to 16 or something like this. So what I can do is I'm not gonna adjust this, I'm not gonna adjust and like this. What I can do is I just click on the frame, and if you are seeing the size here 13, I can increase the size like this, 18, 22, 23. So it will help me to to save the time and not spending much time on resizing the frames, resizing this text. So this thing is good in this auto layout, right, for text, right? So you can see this is 10, right? So you can see the exact another size like 4 if you want. So it will create 4. So you can increase or decrease your size from this side, from this auto layout. As well as the another good thing is, like when I want more fields, or if I duplicate it here, like command D, so you can see it will create multiple multiple text for me with the exact size, with the exact space, right? You can see the spacing is proper here on each between each this text, right? So this is the good thing for auto layout. And if you delete this, like if you click on delete, and if you delete this, it will also resizing the frame size itself accordingly, right, automatically. So you don't have to resize the frame again, right, like this. You don't have to do this. It will auto layout will create everything for you automatically, right? So click on this frame and delete this. You can see the frame size is decreasing or increasing itself, right? And now this is the main feature which I really love for auto layout, right? And now we have to create the fields, right? So for fields you can create first you have to create a rectangle here. So like pass this field, we will create input fields. So this rectangle, and give round corner accordingly. Or instead of this rectangle, what we can do, just select the text here, right here, placeholder, right? And once you create this text, now we have to do, what we can do is again create it auto layout shift A, and now you will see the frame again. It will come inside the frame, and now you can see the padding around the items. You can see this alignment, so it should be here. So it adjusts the padding, like adjust this alignment, like it should be 250 or around 140. because both sides we have to keep similar, right? Like 140 140. And we can also check out like what is the size. It is like 18 18. Okay, so right now it is 140 and 10. Height should be 10. Now make it, align it center. Okay, and it should be so alignment should be left hand side. So for this I can like adjust it like this. Cool. Now what we can do is fill this container, fill this frame, okay, like this, and you will see your field is ready here. Right now you can round here the corners accordingly, whatever you like for example it should be 5 now. And you can write here input field, right? Input field. Okay, now you can see it is right now. We have to adjust it more. So adjusting this, you have to adjust the padding. Right now it's very much on the left side, so click here. You can see this is 140, so you can increase the size, like it should be 16, right? And another should be 40 or 16, right? It should be similar, both left and right alignment should be similar, right? Like 16 60 or 10 10. So once you're done with this, now what we have to do, we have to make it auto layout, right? So right now it's going outside, so it's wrong. What we can do is we have to adjust it. So click input field. Now hub content, right? Again it's doing the same. So what we can do, click on this placeholder text and now make it fill container. Okay, and now you will see the magic here, right? It is fixed here and it will adjust it itself. And one more thing you can I want to show you here, when you write your text, so it will, you don't have to drag your drag or adjust your input field. It will just create everything automatically for you, right? Suppose if you want to write a hub content here, like lorem ipsum, let me just copy it for you. So if you want to just add this lorem ipsum text, you can see you don't have to adjust your input field boundaries or make alignment, make all this for alignment proper. So it will create everything for you automatically, right? So this is the power of auto layout. So same thing you can do with your own design, with your on your project. Same thing you can apply on your project, everything, right? Now another field we have to create is same field for password. Right here field, or you can write any text, for example password, or right here email, right? Okay, and now we have to create the button here. So for button, again you can select text, right here button, and same this process you have to follow, which I've showed you recently. Just command shift A, right? And you have to adjust the padding here, like first make it expandable, now make it center. The text should be center. So if you are not familiar with this auto layout feature here, auto layout alignment, you can just check out with in Figma, and you have to just practice on this, so you will learn how to create it, right? So you can see the alignment here should be proper from left, right, bottom, top. And now you have to fill this container from this fill side. You will see we have now button is ready. Now we have to make it colorful, like blue, and the text should be white. white and bold. Now round your corners accordingly. For example, it should be 7, and now our button is ready. Now you can adjust it. So right now the text is not decreasing. So for decreasing the text, what you can do, click on the text, make it fill container, make it center line, and now you will see it is movable, right? And when you write your text more, it will fill your container. Or right now it is going down, so we don't have to make it down. So the reason why it's not happening, because we have to adjust the setting here. So click on the button again, and you are seeing the resizing setting here. So it is fixed width, so that's why it's happening. So when I make it hug content, fixed width to hug content, and when you write anything, it will expand your button itself. You don't have to adjust it, or you don't have to just click here and drag the size and see the padding around this and adjust it manually. So you don't have to do this. You just write your text and it will adjust everything for you automatically. So for example, if I write here submit file or anything, something like this, so you can see it will expand it will expand when you write any more text, right? So you don't have to again increase the button size or something like this. So that's the power of auto layout here on button size, right? So you can also adjust you can also adjust all side padding from this auto layout alignment here, right? For example, it should be 15, 20, it should also 20, okay, bottom also 20, right? So all side 20, I have made it here, so you can see, right? So that's the main thing of this auto layout, which I like to introduce with you today. And yeah, and so last thing, we have to make all the things in auto layout for making everything when I click like this. So for making that, you have to select all everything and click on this plus auto layout, and you will see it also comes in auto layout, right? Frame 15. So the button is on this side, so you cannot make it center like this. So what you can do is make it fill container, so this will fill the whole container. And now we have to adjust the padding around these items. So for example, it should be 40, right? And the width should be as much as like iPhone phone width, and it should be like, if you are seeing all the items is top left aligned, so we have to make it center line. So if you are seeing this, when you hover here on the alignment side, if you hover here, you will see this is center. So click on here and you will see this stuff on the center, right? So here now you can drag it and make it like adjust your sizes. So now we have to fill this container, so you will see our mobile size is ready here. Right now the last thing, we have to make everything responsive. So when you drag, like we have seen here, so if you drag it like this, you can see, so we have to make the same. So I will show you how you can do this. So here what you can do, right now it is not only the button is auto adjustable, right? So we have to make everything adjustable. So for this, what you can do, it is right now fill container. So everything we have to make fill container. So right now it is fixed width. So if you're seeing the resizing side, it is fixed width, so we have to make it fill container, and you will see the magic now. So you can see now it is working, all the things are responsive, right, in perfect way. So everything is automatically responsive, right? So you don't have to make another mobile frame or make the all responsive design again, right? So you can just drag your frame like this and it will create responsive mobile or tablet app design for you. So that's the main feature I want to introduce you today in this video. So hope you really enjoy this video and really learn this auto layout feature here in Figma. And if you like this video, then please hit the thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, right? And I will also create more videos related to this stuff or other creative design videos and ideas for you, web app design, mobile app design. So make sure that you hit the subscribe button and keep going in your life, right? Thank you so much for watching this video.